In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your WhatsApp backup from iCloud in just 5 minutes. If you've recently switched to a new iPhone or had to reset your device, you might be wondering how to bring all your conversations back to life. Well, rest assured because I've got you covered. Before diving into the restoration process, our first step is ensuring that an iCloud backup of your WhatsApp exists. This is crucial, as without a backup you won't be able to restore your chats. On your old iPhone, open WhatsApp, navigate to Settings and then Chats. From here, tap on Chat Backup. This section will display your most recent backup, along with the date and time it was created. Make sure this backup is recent enough to include all the necessary chats you wish to restore. Next, it's important to use the same phone number and Apple ID on your new device as you did on your old one. Consistency is key here, as WhatsApp uses your phone number as a unique identifier. Also, go to the iPhone settings, tap your name at the top, and dive into the iCloud settings. Here, ensure that WhatsApp is enabled for iCloud backup. This allows WhatsApp to access your cloud data seamlessly. Once you've confirmed that, it's time to reinstall WhatsApp on your new or reset iPhone. First, delete WhatsApp if it's already installed, then head over to the App Store and download it again. Reinstallation will trigger the fresh setup we need to restore your data. Upon opening WhatsApp, you'll be prompted to verify your phone number. Insert the number you have been using previously. You'll receive a verification code to confirm your identity. Once verified, WhatsApp will automatically check for any available iCloud backups. Here comes the part where magic happens. Once the verification process verifies the existing backup, you'll see an option labeled Restore Chat History. Simply tap on it. WhatsApp will detect the iCloud backup that you've associated with this number. Now tap Restore and be patient as the app goes to work bringing your memories back. Depending on the size of the backup and your internet speed, this may take a moment. You'll see a progress bar indicating how much time is left. Once complete, you'll have access to all your chats just like they were before. And there you have it, a complete guide to restoring your WhatsApp chats from iCloud. Follow these steps and you should have your conversations back up and running in no time. Keep your chats safe, and until next time, happy messaging.